Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn some more important examples of double integration by changing the order. So now this is our example. Evaluate integration 0 to 2a, integration from 2ax minus x square root over to root over of 2ax f dx dy by changing the order of integration. So now we see, let I equal to integration from 0 to 2a, integration from root over of 2ax minus x square and 2ax root over f dx dy, that is equal to double integration over r f dx dy. So this one is our y limit from root over of 2x minus x square to 2x, and this is our x limit. So it is our equation 1. Now here R is the region bounded by y equal to root over of 2ax minus x square and y equal to root over of 2ax, and here x equal to 0 and x equal to 2a. Now for draw our region, we see what are those values. So now y equal to root over of 2ax minus x square, that implies y square equal to 2ax minus x square, that implies x square plus y square minus 2ax equal to 0, that implies x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square minus a square equal to 0. Here we adding a square and subtracting a square, then that is our x minus a whole square plus y square equal to a square, which represents a circle with center a0 and radius a, which represents a circle with center a0, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, that is a0, and our radius is a. Then we see what is that y equal to root over of 2ax. Then again y equal to root over of 2ax, that is equal to, that implies y square equal to 2ax, which represents a parabola, which represents a parabola whose vertex is 0, 0, y minus 0 whole square and x minus 0, parabola having vertex at 0, 0, focus is at a by 2, 0. Then given x equal to 0 and x equal to 2a. X equal to 0 is our y axis and x equal to 2a is parallel to y axis. One line parallel to y axis. Then we see the diagram. So that is our x axis and this is our y axis, and this one is x equal to 0. Then first we see the region, a circle with whose radius is a and center is A0. Suppose that is our center A0. So this is the radius A. So draw the circle whose center is A0 and radius is A. Then we see one parabola whose center is 0, 0 and focus is A by 2, 0. So A by 2, 0 is this. So our parabola is y square equal to 2ax. So our center is 0, 0. So 0, 0 center is here and focus is here. So our parabola must be is our parabola. Next, here this is our A0 and this is our 2A0. So our x equal to 2a is, this is our x equal to 2a, and here it is the circle x minus a whole square plus y square equal to a square, and this one is the parabola, that is y square equal to 2ax, and this is the line x equal to 2a. So first we find that intersection point. This is first we find the intersection point of circle and the parabola. Then we see how many points, in how many points the circle and the parabola will be intersect. So now first x square plus y square equal to 2ax, then parabola is our y square equal to 2ax. That implies x square plus 2ax equal to 2ax. That get cancel out, that is x square equal to 0. That implies x equal to 0. So our y is also 0. So only the 0, 0 point where the circle and the parabola will be intersect. Then now our region is x equal to 0, and this circle y square equal to 2ax is the parabola and x equal to 2a. This line is not given. So our region must be this one. This is our region. So for find the region, we draw a line, that is partition. Here it is our partition, that is our M. So the region is this one, this one, this one. Here the region will different, here will be the region different, here will be the region different. So this is our R1, this is our R2, and this one is our R3. See, 2a, 2a, x is also 2a and y is also 2a. As we in the intersection point of parabola and straight line, that is y square equal to 2ax and x equal to 2a. That implies y square equal to 4a square and y equal to 2a. So x is 2a and y is 2a. This point is 2a and 2a. Then first find the R1 region by changing the order. So now double integration over R1 f dx dy equal to, first we write the limit of y, then we write the limit of x. As here given that limit will be changed first in the question, first it given the y limit then x limit. Here first we will find x limit then y limit. First finding the x limit, we will have draw a line parallel to x axis, that is our line parallel to x axis, that is L1. So this point to this point is our x limit, this to this is the parabola. So x is y square by 2a2. This is our x, this circle, x square y square by 2a. X is from y square by 2a to a square minus y square root over, that is a plus root over of a square minus y square. Here we get the x limit, that is x square equal to minus a equal to a square minus y square root over, that implies x equal to a plus root over of a square minus y square. So our x limit is from this to this, that is x is from y square by 2a to this x equal to, then our y limit is from this to this. So y limit is from 0 to, so our y limit is from 0 to a. As the radius of the circle is a and here we intersect the point, so this is our 0 comma a point. So y limit is from 0 to a, and here f of dx dy. This is our equation bit 1. As the value of f is here not given, so concluded only that value. Next we find R2 region. Next we find R2 region. Again double integration over R2 f dx dy. Then first we find the x limit, then we find the y limit. For find the x limit, we draw a line parallel to x axis, that is our line parallel to x axis. So x limit is from this to this, then here x will be a plus root over of a square minus y square, that is a plus root over of a square minus y square to this one. So here x equal to 2a. So this to this, and our y is from 0 to a. This is our a point. So y is from 0 to a. Y equal to 0 to a of f dx dy. This is our bit 2. Last we find the limit of R3 and double integration over R3 f dx dy equal to integration. First we write the x limit, then we write the y limit. Then first we write x limit, we draw a line parallel to x axis. Then here we draw a line, that is our L2. Then we see the x limit is from this to this, x is from this to this. So x is our y square by 2a, 2. This is our 2a. So x is our y square divided by 2a, 2. X equal to 2a. And y is from this to this. So y limit is from this to this. So here y limit is a and a to, that is our y limit. So a to 2a. So y is from a to 2a and f dx dy. This is our equation 3. Then our I equal to, so our y equal to double integration over R1 f dx dy plus double integration over R2 f dx dy plus double integration over R3 f dx dy. And here we multiply this region by 2, because in this we see our region is this much and also this much. So this is our same as the region this one, so we will multiply by 2. This region also counting, so our region must be this one and this one, so we multiply by 2. So that is equal to 2 into integration x equal to y square divided by 2a plus root over of a square minus y square and y equal to 0 to a f dx dy plus x equal to a plus root over of a square minus y square to 2a y equal to 0 to a f dx dy and plus integration x equal to y square divided by 2a to 2a and y is from a to 2a f dx dy. So that is our integration for this region. Here f is not given, so we cannot calculate the values of integration. This is our integration for using this region. How to use this region, and we calculate by changing the order of double integration. So any doubt in this session, you can ask me freely in the comment section. So thank you students.